right now, this looks like a blizzard. This is what I would call a blizzard. Would you call this a blizzard?
It was worse earlier, but this is pretty bad though, yeah.
You know, like you would think, well, damn, you can't see, the wind's blowing, the snow's coming down hard. It's like a blizzard.